Welcome to our next tutorial. In this video, we're going to set up an important piece of your online integration, one that will strengthen your infrastructure and help you maintain a secure and reliable online presence. With Plexosoft, you'll get the right tools to turn attention into clients. So far, you already have the following accounts. Heroku runs your software and connects all your services. GitHub enables quick login and, in some cases, hosts your software code. Squarespace manages your domain name and email forwarding. Cloudflare distributes your website globally with enhanced security. Supabase stores, protects, and delivers your data to users. Now, we'll add one more essential tool, the one responsible for storing and delivering your site's static and media files efficiently. We've written a detailed article explaining this setup, and you can find the link in this video's description. Now that we're on the Amazon Web Services (AWS) website, it's time to create your account. Later, you'll share your credentials with our support team so we can connect everything on Heroku for you. Click on Create Account. Depending on future updates, this button might look slightly different. Just look for the Sign Up option. Here, we'll enter our email address and choose an account name, then click Verify Email Address. Go to your inbox, find the verification code from Amazon, and paste it into the field provided. Next, it's time to create your password. Make sure it's strong and secure, but also something you can share temporarily with our team. We recommend using the same temporary password across all platforms you've set up so far. This helps streamline the website installation process. When choosing a plan, we recommend selecting the paid plan, as it provides more flexibility and resources for future growth. Now, AWS will ask about your account type. If you're setting this up for a business, choose Business. If you're managing your website personally, select Personal. The only difference between the two options is the contact information you'll provide. For this tutorial, we'll select Personal for convenience. Fill out the form accurately, agree to the terms, and click Continue. Next, we'll set up our billing method, either a credit card or bank account. This is a standard process, similar to what we did on Heroku. Verify your information with your bank and make sure you have access to any external authentication methods, since you might need to approve the transaction. This step only connects your payment method. You won't be charged unless you start using paid services. Now we'll confirm our identity. Enter your phone number, click Send SMS, and complete any security verifications that appear. Then, enter the code you received. If you run a large or established business, you can select one of the paid support options. Otherwise, the free basic support plan is more than enough, even for most established companies. Let's give AWS a few moments to finish setting up your account and environment. Perfect. Great job so far. Remember, these accounts belong to you. You'll maintain and control them in the future, while our support team will handle the technical setup for you. Now, let's explore some services so you understand what you'll be using within Amazon Web Services, AWS S3. You're now part of one of the most powerful ecosystems in the world. Even companies like OpenAI use these same services to host and deliver their static and media files. Let's go to the search bar at the top and look for S3. When it appears, click the star icon to add it to your navigation bar for quick access. You'll see it pinned there now. Next, search for IAM and do the same. Add it to your favorites. Great job! That's all we really need for now, but we also recommend keeping CloudFront nearby. CloudFront can further enhance performance and security, and you can activate it later if needed. Now everything should make perfect sense. You came to this platform specifically to use Amazon S3, which is why it's part of AWS, Amazon Web Services. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Our mission was to successfully create an AWS account, and you've done it. Remember to read the article mentioned earlier, available on our website or in this video's description. Congratulations on another big step toward building your online ecosystem. See you in the next video.